I want to tell you about New Year's Eve. Guys, we think that night usually identical with darkness and silence, but there are some moments that night is very interesting for us. The sky is very colorful, the way the street is very busy, and so on. And the night is New Year's Eve. Guys, of course you know that New Year's Eve is the last night before you welcome New Year. And the people always welcome New Year with firework and trumpet. Sometimes in Indonesia, the people celebrate it with convoy on the street. But if you visit other countries and you see the New Year's Eve in the other countries like Netherlands, Germany, Japan, Australia, and so on, I believe you cannot believe about it, because the firework is very beautiful and can make the sky very colorful. I suggest you to don't play the firework too loud, because it can make problem with your hearing. And use the opportunity to introspect our life and enhance our skills and achievement for positive way. In conclusion, use the New Year resolution to do positive things that can make our life be better and more useful for other people. That's all. Thank you very much for your attention.